Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to How to Guide YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to add your website link to TikTok using PC. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account on TikTok and already logged in, and now right after that you'll be able to see the interface of TikTok apps on the screen, where you can see profile picture at top right corner. Just over there, and now you'll be able to see the view profile option. Just click on it and you will be redirected to your profile page, where you can see edit profile option or button. Just click over there, and now you can see bio. You can add your link over here. And finally click on save, and you'll be able to add your website link on TikTok successfully. So basically this is how you can add your website link to TikTok using PC. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.